me introduce myself. My name is Mantu, and I am from Odisha, Kalahandi. And I have done graduation in arts, and right now I am preparing for competitive exams.
Okay, that's great. Even brother, in this day, lots of people are preparing a competitive exam. I don't know why
Yeah,
people do not think about like private sector also booming industry, brother. But I don't know why people always pursuing a competitive government exam like that. So anyway, so I'm going to talk about myself. You know very well, like my name is Samir, and I'm living in here, and I'm also searching a job in like aviation sector. And I want to tell you, brother, I saw your YouTube channel. It was amazing. So how long have
thank you.
been
Thank you
making
for watching
videos?
my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. And
Please
are you also
tell
running a YouTube
channel.
channel? Yeah, are you also running a YouTube channel?
Okay.
Are you
Yeah.
also running? Yeah.
Yeah, brother. I have a YouTube channel. I'm making a video since 9 to 8 months has gone. Okay, I'm making and regular basis. I try to upload on my YouTube channel regarding English language, and daily basis I interact with stranger, talk about communication, talk about fluency, talk about English language, how to be grow, how to be improve, how to be learn without partner, without hesitation. So I'm doing, brother. I don't have a we don't have a good partner in real partner. That's why reason we
Yeah,
are having a conversation. So regular
definitely.
basis I'm trying, brother, and
Yeah,
literally I can say I'm improving, and day by day, I'm improving my confidence. I'm improving my communication skill, and literally my English is, improving. We can say I'm enjoying my communication, brother. I love it. Yeah.
yeah. So, to improve your English, have you taken any subscription like Clappingo, Cambly?
Yeah, actually, it's long time ago, brother. When I was beginner, okay, so that moment I took a subscription on Cambly.
Okay, okay.
I was crazy about to learning a English language, so I didn't find proper partner and environment. That's why I shifted a Cambly plan, and that was so so costly, we can say.
Yeah, it
I
is very costly.
yeah,
Yeah.
I took a 1 month subscription, and I paid around 6,000 rupees. And if you talk
6,000.
about like how many class I attended, only for 25 session attend over there, 25 webinar class I was attending, and per day only 15 minutes, and weekly 5 day, brother. So
Yeah, yeah.
after family I realized, brother, this is piece of cake. They are taking a too much charge, but if you talk about, if if you have an intention to learning an English language, then without any subscription you can improve, brother. You can
Yeah,
improve.
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely, definitely.
Not
Yeah, there are lots, yeah, there are lots of platform which help you to improve your English. Like in India, English sharing, it's a good platform, and Clappingo also. And there is also Ingo English platform. You can also learn English from them. Yeah.
yeah.
In Ingo English, you can talk to the native speaker in Ingo English, and
Okay.
you will take demo class without any fee in Ingo English.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
So like,
they will provide 20-minute sessions. They will
okay.
provide you 20 minutes every day. Yeah,
So what
but
about fee? What amount?
after taking subscription, yeah, after taking subscription, you will have to pay costly amount. That is
Cost.
also too expensive, like a Cambly,
Oh
Ingo
my
English.
God. So did you take yourself any about like Clappingo, Cambly, and like
I haven't taken, but I have taken demo classes from Clappingo as well as from Ingo English.
so how was
Demo.
your, if I talk about Ingo English, so how was your experience?
Yeah, actually, in Ingo English platform, you can talk to the different people from the abroad. Okay, they are not Indian tutors; they are foreign tutors.
Oh, I see. Okay,
And
that's good.
yeah, taking demo classes in Ingo English, it will be free for you.
Okay, it's free of cost. First,
Yeah,
if you talk about demo classes, it's free of cost.
yeah,
Okay, that's definitely I will visit. I will take a Ingo
yeah, yeah.
online class.
Yeah, you can visit Ingo English and you will get the 25 minutes free demo class.
Oh, I see. That's great. So, brother, tell me something about yourself. Like, wow, what is the reason? What is the role of in your life about communication, about English language? Because you are preparing a government exam. So, I think it's not requirement more than. Am I right? So, how long have
Yeah,
been study?
English communication nowadays, English communication is most important things, and everybody should know, because you know English is not our native language. We because we are the student of competitive. In future, we have to give the interview, so that's why it is important for a student. And if you know English, you can communicate with the people around the world.
Mhm. Yeah, right, right.
And you know, English is the largest second spoken language in world.
Yes, yes, yeah. English language is like global language, and everyone speaking, everyone doing. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
great thing. Yeah, brother. Come to the point. Like I want to, ask you because in my mind is thinking about one question. Like suppose if we take a like subscription like Cambly, Clappingo, and Ingo, whatever. Okay. So is it benefit? Is it can we learn from that platform about well communication? Can we learn from over there?
yeah, yeah. It's a good question, but in my point of view, suppose you are a beginner and if you take any classes from Cambly or Clappingo, it will not help you because it is the 15 or 20-minute session. It will not give the benefit to the beginner, but it is benefit for the intermediate or advanced speaker. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. In that on that platforms, you can correct your mistake. Yeah.
Mhm.
So I think in my point of view, for the beginner, taking any subscription from any platform is not
Mhm.
good. Yeah.
Okay.
So actually those who are beginner, they will talk to the different people. Okay. They will talk to different people. When they will come to the rhythm, then they will take the any subscription. They can take they can avail any subscription. So that will be
Mhm.
help. And
Oh, I
suddenly,
see.
yeah, suddenly we don't know ABCD of spoken English, and suddenly we took the spoken English class from any platform, then it will be not helpful in my point of view.
Oh, I see. Right, right, right. So, brother, you mean to say, like, for example, I'm a beginner, so it's not suitable for that platform about
Yeah, yeah,
Family,
definitely.
Classico, and
Yeah.
Ingo.
Suppose I am a beginner. Suppose I am a beginner, and if I take the classes from Cambly, Clappingo, it will not help me.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But like whoever beginner, lots of people suggest to like you should find a partner, you should talk with
Yeah, yeah,
native,
yeah.
attend a webinar classes. So why they are talking about why they are suggesting like that? Why we do
Yeah,
not
yeah.
understand?
Whenever you will find a partner, you can make your English good. Okay. Everyday conversation will give you benefit.
Hmm?
Okay. But in Cambly or Clappingo, you will not get everyday classes, and within 15 minutes or 20 minutes, class is not sufficient for the beginner.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Yeah, out of this platform we should find a partner and to improve your English a little bit, because suppose we are in zero level. Suppose we
Okay.
are in zero level, we don't know anything about English, then suddenly we don't we should not take the plan from any online platform.
Okay.
We should practice with our friends or with our partner. Then after 1 or 1.5 months, we should take the subscription. That will help.
Yeah. Right. 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 So especially like whoever beginners, so always we can suggest like don't take a subscription first thing, clarify your basic, clarify yourself,
Yeah,
like what is
yeah,
the
yeah,
structure of
yeah. First,
communication in English.
we should clarify our basic. Then we'll take the plan. That will help. Yeah.
Suppose brother, even I have a second question. Suppose like I can't afford that platform about Cambly, Clappingo, and Ingo. I don't have a money. So is it any way to like improve without any money about English language? Is it easy for beginner, for stranger? Is it easy to learn the English language without any payment?
Yeah, it will be easy because we have to work as per your capacity. Yeah,
Hmm.
how much you know English, and according to that, you should practice with your friends.
Okay, with your friends. Suppose like if we don't have a real friend and real environment, like I'm staying in Mumbai, in here Marathi language is going on. I could not find the English language, English person, English friend. So how do I improve myself? Like it's not possible to whole day I talk to myself like whole time. It's not very few time, I can practice with myself. So what about other time? How do I motivate? How do I say like or practice more, talk more? How do I find?
Yeah, nowadays it's a modern era, so it's not difficult to find any partner, and there are lots of people who are interested to learn English. You can find the people, and there are lots of applications in available in Play Store. You can download that application. Uh, like which I am also using a application. That
Okay.
application name is as fluency. Whenever I don't get any partner, then I use that application. And on that application, you can make a call, and your call will get connected to the people randomly.
Okay.
So you can talk to them in English.
Oh, I see. That's good. Yeah, in this day we can say we can find easily on Play Store like lots of application regarding to English language partners.
Yeah,
This great thing, and like brother, suppose I'm a beginner. Okay, people try to convince, people try to give a suggest like talk to like voice call and something. So do you believe that like voice call and video call, which way it's like effective about learning, video call and voice call?
yeah, actually, I prefer to video call. Whenever we'll talk to video call through the video call, it will really increase your confidence level. You will feel like you are talking someone who is in front of you. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I prefer a video call. So video call
Okay.
is better than audio call.
Right. Even I realized after 6 months, brother. Before 6 months, I was also talking with Eastern like about a voice call, audio
Yeah.
call, but I didn't learn proper. So when I started making a video, I build my confidence. I learn eye contact,
Yeah,
expression.
definitely,
So
definitely.
we can say,
Whenever we will talk to somebody through the video call, definitely it will increase your confidence level. It will gain
right,
your confidence. Yeah. So
because
this,
right now we are making an environment. We can see I'm looking your face, you're looking my face. We are just we can say
yeah, yeah.
sharing
Just
our
like we are
experience.
talking front, yeah, we are talking
Yeah.
face to face. Yeah,
Yeah, face to face, one-to-one conversation. So we can say video calling is like a, more effective about good communication, and
yeah,
within a
definitely.
short period we will learn.
Yeah,
you know
def-
but brother, like very few people attend a video call. And if you talk about beginner, those people always afraid to video call. They think about like when I connect with stranger about video call, so what should I talk? So if you have any idea, brother, please suggest like as a beginner, like that moment,
yeah,
what should we do? Please
yeah.
tell me.
Actually, as a beginner, we should not afraid of video calling. And
Hmm.
actually, those who are beginner, they don't believe themselves, because
Okay.
they will think that if I make me any mistake, they will laugh at me, they will mock at me. This type of hesitation should be removed from our mind. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, because you know English is not our mother tongue. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
in any part we can make mistake, no problem. But we have to talk.
Yeah,
Okay,
right.
we have to talk. We have to. We don't have to be hesitated.
Yes, yes. And suppose if you make a mistake, if you feel to hesitation and fear, so it's okay. One time, second time, but third time you will never feel to that kind of problem.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But if you talk about beginner brothers, so they always believe like grammar part. They always believe like I want to learn fluently within a short period. They always
Yeah,
jump like fluently. They always try to speak rapidly, and they learn
yeah.
about too much vocabulary, new word. Always
You
take
know,
a
learn,
complicate.
yeah, learning is not like a piece of cake that
Yeah.
you can achieve it within one day or within 1 week or within 1 month. It is a long process. It will take a long time because it
Okay.
is not our native language.
Oh, I
So
see.
we have to be, but we have to practice regularly. We have to be persistent. We have to be consistent.
Okay.
Then
Right.
definitely we will achieve.
Yeah,
So
brother. Right.
all beginner should think about like this,
Yes.
and
Yes.
all
Yes.
not hesitate during the conversation. Okay,
Mhm.
we are men. We can make the mistake.
Yes.
Okay, we are men. God also had made mistake.
Yes. Of course. Of course. Of course.
No one is perfect in this world.
No
Okay,
one is
every
perfect.
is perfect, but we have to work. We have to work on that.
Yes, 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 right, right. Yeah, that's great, brother. And that was amazing. You share with me some tips. Definitely, it's going to help a lot of people. Thank
Yeah,
you very
definitely.
much, brother, for
Thank you.
sharing your
Thank you.
idea, your knowledge, and it was amazing conversation.